Hello everyone, happy Sunday and good evening to one and all. এইমাত্র দেখলাম the much awaited, the much discussed, much dissected Toxic starring megastar Yash and a range of other female superstars. তার ট্রেলারটা আমার ট্রেলারটা কেমন লাগলো? Tad underwhelming, definitely likable, astounding visually, extremely sometimes I would say superb, over stylishly shot. কিন্তু that same age old saying of style over substance that hangs looms largely over the trailer. বুঝাই যাচ্ছে ট্রেলারটাতে Yash plays superstar, megastar Yash plays a double role of father and a son, and it has a huge star cast. Sanjay Dutt, Huma Qureshi, Nayanthara, Kiara Advani, Rukmini Vasant, Tara Sutaria, you name everyone who's who, they are there. Production team has worked day and night to craft this film. It looks stunning and dazzling visually. Kintu, unfortunately, মনে হচ্ছে it still falls in the same school, the same category of KGF and an animal, the testosterone-driven alpha male syndrome. তা সত্ত্বেও এটাকে পেরিয়ে with the film the memorable experience to wait till 26th of August. আশা করছি ছবিটা ভালো হবে. Till then, wait and watch.